The top at 5:30, the Florida legislature takes aim at the state's condo crisis with a new bill. It's meant to penalize condo buildings for not adhering to the new condo requirements in the wake of the tragedy in Surfside. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Nasha Sherman.
And I'm Jim Barry. The proposal pretty simple. If you do not follow the rules, you won't get to use the state's insurance. CBS2's Miami's Steve Majori spoke to condo owners about how this can impact even those who go private.
Tony Fradiani lives in the Sunrise Lakes condo community in Sunrise. Their HOA president says the buildings here have not completed their Structural Integrity Reserve Study, or SIRS. It requires condo associations to make assessments, create reserves, and make necessary repairs. Each condo owner has to chip in.
Our board is doing everything they can to keep us afloat, and at the same time, the people in the building who don't attend these meetings just don't understand.
Like countless other condo communities in South Florida, there are higher costs for fixed-income residents.
I don't know if you can get water from a stone.
The deadline to complete the study was December 31st. Now there could be steep punishments for not complying. A bill introduced by State Rep Vicky Lopez would strip citizens' property insurance for buildings that didn't finish the study. Lopez did not respond to a request for comment. Walter Razor understands why it was proposed, but he doesn't want elderly people to lose coverage.
We're not asking for safety to be ignored. We're asking for elderly communities to be listened to and say, in this situation, safety should not override the cost that it's going to cost. It's literally going to cost some people their homes.
A study by the Miami Association of Realtors found that as of last month, only 44% of condo buildings in Miami-Dade County have completed their study, and only 41% have in Broward County.
If all of this goes forward as planned, we're going to see a lot of people start to tip over.
Peter Zalewski runs CondoVultures.com. Razor and Fradiani say their buildings don't have citizens coverage, but Zalewski says this bill could still affect them.
If citizens are saying, no, we're not going to insure you, I can bet the house private sector will not insure.
Citizens says it covers 18,468 condo buildings with an association throughout the state, and more than half of them are in Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. Zalewski says that if people do lose their coverage because of this bill, the people that didn't lose their citizens coverage may have to pay higher premiums to make up for the losses. In Sunrise, Steve Majiri, CBS News, Miami.